nowadays.
What is photography? I mean, when you say you can have, Photoshop change things or, but what defines photography?
Photography is truly the capture of light. And unfortunately, that's gotten lost. The quality of light makes a huge difference in the quality of the photograph. And what's happened, and so capturing light is what photography is all about, and the modification of that has gone to extremes in some way, and it just has to be disclosed, I feel. I mean, I really seriously feel that, in the darkroom we manipulated prints, we dodged, we burned, we changed the color balance, we did all that stuff. Ansel was notorious for that. But I think that if you do things beyond that, where you drop things in or change things or add things, that it should be disclosed and it becomes a photo illustration.
Photo illustration.
Rather
could
than
be
a
more.
photograph.
There you go. So there just needs to be a level of distinctions made.
Exactly.
Yeah.
There should be disclosure, so the public knows.
Yeah, because you can't believe what you see anymore.
No, and I mean, you used to be use a photograph for evidence in court. I'm sure no way now. Are you kidding?
Yeah, exactly.
So I really feel that photography has made a huge evolution in the last 20 years. Most of it very good. I just don't want to see the integrity of the art lost in the computer, in digital art.